Good morning, 8:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Wednesday, December 13th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So, to start on this early morning update, I'm going to be here sparingly today. I've got a lot of stuff to do. I've got some kids' stuff at the school tonight. So you'll see me in the early part of the day. Tonight, it's probably not going to happen. So I'll do my best throughout the early part of the day to keep us on track. I know Jerome Powell's speaking today, but I probably won't be able to cover the Fed meeting, but we'll see how it goes. So XRP sits down 1.99% at 6065. We came down to the bottom of the structure. We filled it out, and we did not dump out. We've actually reversed back up. We're trying to use this structure as a support. And now if we can, we could get that proper retest of 50 cents or 65 cents. If we fall down and break at any point from where we're at, the target would be 55 cents. If we look at it in the smaller time frame, we're on top of the 20-day right now. And could this be the start of a reversal? Could this be leading into the Fed meeting? We'll see, because in the 2-hourly, it certainly suggests we might have a reversal candle here. So if you're a long trader, I would certainly be watching that 60-cent support. But you might be able to bounce off of this, and we'll see if this ends up railing up. We still have, as we know, these death crosses that have to play through. But a proper retest, even if it gets rejected again, this is another one of those scenarios. We might get another run up to 625, even if we're bearish, just to see how bearish we are in the area. However, we are bouncing off of this area, and we can see a long leg doji here. So is there something going on with the Fed meeting? Is this pushing towards we could have a rally today? It's very possible. The emergence of this long leg doji here on this 4-hour candle with 2 hours left, this could signify a squeeze here, and we could squeeze up. It could even be a pump and dump scenario for the Fed meeting later, but as of right now, we can see a definite long leg doji there, and those are signs of a reversal. So it was breaking down, and we could be falling bearish in the area. Now, we tried once back here to reverse, and we didn't have enough strength here by buyers, and it came back through, tested the bottom of the structure. And now we're going to see exactly what they have in store for us, because if this is meant to be a reversal candle, you've got room for it to, even if it doesn't break back to 65 cents, just the area it's in, we could see a 3.5% rally back up, even if we're meant to get rejected. So that's in the 4-hourly. So in the 30-minute, if we're watching this and we're paying very close attention, let's just continue to see if we get these engulfing candles. Right now, it looks like we're on a hot start. And I would definitely put that support level at 60 cents. If you're trying to go long, you make sure you're playing 60 cents. If you're going short and you've got a little bit of liquidity here and leverage, if it gets past that, first of all, I would say you'd probably have to be worried if you're going short. If, first of all, we get past this 20-day at 614 and we start pushing it up, because then that means we're going to play a higher in the 3-hour at 619. And then if we get through the 3-hour and we actually do the 4-hourly where we have this dot cross looming, that's at 622. So either way, we're more than likely going to come back up to that zone. Even if we fall down, it looks like to me there's really no reason why we shouldn't come up there and retest. We've never retested the drop point yet either. So that would be this consolidatory tug that we have here. We obviously didn't take this up route, and we could be taking this this route right here. We came up. If we if we extend this down, this broke down like this now, and now it's trying to bounce out. So it's riding this. I'm going to move these arrows because now we don't have to guess anymore which way it went. We can actually see that it took the consolidatory route, but it didn't break through. So I'm going to keep the breakdown target just in case. But remember, every time we don't have a reaction to the downside, you'd have to have the similar reaction to the top side. So let's just say somehow we got enough liquidity. That's signaling for a bounce either to 65 cents or a drop to 55. Exactly what we've been talking about. And with that long leg doji, let's see if this emergence of a possible death cross here is a lagging indicator. And in fact, it's showing everybody that they should go short, when in fact, the buying pressure is going to come in after they talk, after Jerome Powell, and they decide what they're going to do with the Fed rate hikes. That's going to be the biggest decision today. So that's what we have to watch for. We really have to see what happens with the Fed meeting, as we've got the XRP market cap down another 658 million, or 1.97% to 32.73 billion. We have the emerging death cross as well, or the We're awaiting a death cross in the 4 hourly, which is a more permanent time frame. But we could have a retest here. It looks like we should. There's a long leg doji there. It looks like a bull flag set up on the long leg doji. So this last 2 hours is going to be a little consolidatory. But the next candle will likely start pushing us back up to 33.15. And then ultimately, it seems like we're going to try to retest this 33.6 billion area. So again, just like with the price action, there's a few percent move here. Even if it does get rejected, you've got about a 3% move up. So be very careful if you're a futures trader. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this, please make sure to hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel, as it will, consider subscribing and joining the over 19,400 subscribers. Make sure to hit that like button and share this on social media to help push us through the algorithm and allow our analytics to increase a little bit more. If you're looking to trade XRP or your favorite crypto, video description below. You can find the ways that I trade crypto, whether you're futures or spot trading, whether in the USA or abroad, whether you want to use a KYC or not. There's options for you. If you want to pay it forward, you can always join Tom's Army or send a YouTube super chat, as I don't do any paid promotions, advertisements, or sponsorships of any kind. If you're looking to send a nice, beautiful birthday gift for me on Sunday, well, I expect you to be here Friday. On Sunday night. We're going to do a nice birthday celebration later Sunday night. Other than that, Bitcoin, we've got this. All right, so there's two ways we can look at Bitcoin. We can look at it like this, with this falling channel, and I'm going to bring it into a smaller time frame because it looks better. But we can either look at the falling channel, which Bitcoin chart keeps being, I don't know if anybody's seen what happened with the XRP chart, but Bitcoin's is not opposite. So we can look at that, or we can look at it like this as well, because this is your extension and this is going to be your breakout attempt. So if we can stand that uptrending support and then push out of here, we're squeezing ourselves, and then we should have a target of 42,663 to see how it's going to play out. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. Make sure to hit that like button. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if Bitcoin were to break down, you know you're coming right back down to that 39,000 area. Stay blessed, everybody.